Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing this LeetCode problem, longest substring without repeating characters. So we're going to want A, B, C, and then this is going to repeat again. So it's going to be the longest one without a repeating, and all we're going to do is return this length of the string here. This one would be, it's 5 repeating, only have 1 here. It's a little bit of an interesting one. And then here's another test case, B3, WKE, and it has to be a substring and not a sequence. So we'll put some stuff in there for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to define the function here. And in this, I have live server open with our console running so we can make sure that it's working. So, okay, so I'm going to make a function here, length of longest substring, and is equal to a function. This is going to take in a string, and function, spelled function wrong. Okay, so this is going to take in a string that they give us. It's going to be a test string, and we're going to declare 2 variables. It's going to be a let temp equal an array, and this is just going to be an array that we store our substring in, and then we're going to make another which is let max length equals 0. So this is going to store the max length of our substring in it, because that's ultimately what we're going to return. So what we need to do is we need to go through this string here. So we're just going to do a for loop, and we're going to do let I equals 0, let I equals 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus. So we're just going to loop through our string here, just formatted it real quick. So the first thing that we have to test for is if our current character is already in the temp array. So we're just going to do if temp dot index of, and we're just going to do string at I equals -1. So if it's not in the array, in the temp array, then we'll temp dot push that character. Okay. Then we're going to do another check to make sure that our max length is up to date. So if temp dot length is greater than max length, if temp dot length is greater than max length, we will max length equals temp dot length. So there we go. So that updates it there. And then on the outside of this one, else if the character is not in it, then we add it, else we don't want to add it, and we want to take the string section that we have now. So we're going to set temp equal to temp dot slice, and we're going to give it temp dot index of that location in the string +1, and then an ending of temp length. Oops. Okay, then we're just going to take temp dot push, and we're going to push this to start over at what we have. So if it is in the array, we start over and check the rest of it. And then we'll go ahead and console log our max length. Okay. 3. That's what we're looking for. Okay, let's grab these test cases that they have. I'm just going to copy these. And they had BBB. All right. It's exactly what we're looking for. 3, 3, and 1. And I think there was another test case of this. So we should get 3 there too. There we go, 3, 3, 1, 3. So as you can see, working great. It was actually, when I submitted it, was 100% better than all the other JavaScript submissions. So there you go. Hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to see anything else. And thanks for watching.